India has crossed yet another grim milestone with a record of 4,187 deaths in a single day, even as the country registered over 400,000 new COVID-19 cases for a third consecutive day. This according to the Union Ministry of Health. The death toll has now jumped to over 238,270, with the total caseload surpassing 21.4 million. Meanwhile, back home, 18 deaths have been recorded in the last 24 hours as the country maintains a positivity rate of 12.4%. Daniel Kariuki reports.
Just when the world thought the new year would be a beginning of the end of the coronavirus pandemic, the virus had its own plans in store. India's daily COVID-19 death toll today surpassed 4,000 for the first time Saturday. The country's health ministry reporting a record 4,187 fatalities for the previous 24 hours, as well as more than 400,000 new infections for the third day in a row. India has now reported more than 21 million cases and 238,000 related deaths since the pandemic struck. The spiraling crisis continues stretching India's healthcare system beyond breaking point. Beds, oxygen and medical workers are in short supply. Some COVID-19 patients are dying in waiting rooms or outside overwhelmed clinics before they have even seen a doctor. Infections have swelled in India since February in a disastrous turn blamed on more contagious variants, as well as government decisions to allow massive crowds to gather for religious festivals and political activities. The Indian government estimates that India's gross domestic product (GDP) shrunk by 8% in the year ended March, its biggest contraction since 1952. Many economists are cutting their forecast for the current fiscal year as rising unemployment and dwindling savings dim the chances of a double-digit growth. Meanwhile, Kenya has recorded new 572 positive cases of the coronavirus pandemic as 18 more people succumbed in the last 24 hours. This latest statistics bringing the total tally of cumulative deaths to 2,883. Daniel Kariuki for Switch TV News.